Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for July 16th to 28th. For July 16th to 20th, the pattern will be transitioning to a ridge in the west and a trough in the east. But in the meantime, we have above normal heights across much of the nation with the westerlies across the northern U.S. Now, as we go through the period, we're going to go now to the 20th to start seeing a little bit of a dip here coming into the northeast and mid-Atlantic. And then we come to the 20th, you can see in our ridge shifts westward. So this is what the pattern looks like, and the models are in good agreement with this. So during this period, rain and storms, locally heavy rain, will accompany a frontal boundary, pushing across the Ohio and Tennessee valleys to the east the first half of the week. Monsoonal moisture also produced scattered thunderstorms across the southwest into the central Rockies through the midweek period. And temperatures will be 5 to 15 degrees above normal across the northeast ahead of the cold front, and then drop to near normal late in the week. July 19th to 23rd. Here we are at the 25th. The 21st, I'm sorry. We have a ridge here over the Four Corners, the western part of the nation, and we have a beginnings here of a trough. Now, we go forward into this period, and you're going to see, let me get to the 23rd. Okay, we're at the 23rd. Start seeing the trough, the beginnings of a trough. And we look at the rest of the models. This is the well-known European ensembles, and has a ridge across this area here. We have a trough here as we have parts of this upper low that sinks over Hudson Bay. And then we have the rest of the models. They're in pretty good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Near to below normal temperatures forecast for the east central states with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, let me see if I have the right map up. Okay, this is the map. Forecasting below normal precipitation here and for the southern plains. And the probability of occurrence is 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for a portion of the Four Corners region due to monsoonal flow. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. For July 24th to 28th, the pattern continues to become more amplified, and we have our strong ridge here encompassing much of the western U.S. And then we go to the end of the period. Now you see this is the American model, or the GFS, has a fairly deep trough here in the east. Now we look at the rest of the models. They're not quite as amplified as also the European ensembles. Kind of size this ridge a little bit further to the east into the Mississippi Valley, but we still have a trough here across eastern states. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting still above normal temperatures for the western states with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal, and near to below normal temperatures for the east central states with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. Now for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest and the northern Rockies, the southern plains. Probability of occurrence 35 to 55%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for the area east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 16th to 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.